One always needs somebody like a Praveen who can literally pull you out of the bed.
Hello everyone, this is Ankita and I have completed 90 days of my base program with Bodyprocoach Fitness. It had been an incredible journey. I have lost almost 18 to 20 kgs of my weight.
Hi guys, warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing some simple, easy breakfast and lunch options. So now I'm going to be showing you a healthy, slim pasta. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Hi guys, so today we are doing a super healthy and a low calorie slim pasta. The ingredients for the same are, here we have 1 small tomato, then half a onion finely chopped. Then I have about 1 cup of mushroom, some green chilies, and lastly I'm using butter for cooking. Here I have coriander and here I have my slim pasta. The pasta contains only 35 calories. So here we go. So first in a pan I'm going to add my butter. To the butter I'm going to add some chopped onion and fresh tomatoes and some green chili. Now I'm going to cook the same for the next 5 to 8 minutes until it's well done. Now I'm going to add some salt as per taste. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. And the next one goes, that's the mushroom. So here goes the 1 cup mushroom. You can also add some red chili powder for taste. And now we are putting the last and the main ingredient, that's our slim pasta. The best part about this pasta is it cooks in less than 1 minute. It's already well done. We're gonna just mix it. So today I'm making a veg pasta, but you could also add chicken, prawns, whatever you wish in the pasta you want. And our slim pasta is ready, and now I'm going to garnish it with some chopped coriander. Our super healthy slim pasta is ready. The benefits of the same, it's a great option for a cheat meal. It contains only 150 calories. It's loaded with high amount of nutrition and lower in calorie. You can also top it up with good source of protein like paneer for vegetarians, tofu for vegans, and chicken or prawns for non-vegetarians. It makes a super meal if combined with a healthy source of protein. Thank you so much for watching the video. Request you to please subscribe the channel, hit that bell icon so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, and yummy, amazing recipes. Thank you and lots of love.